from the European International Studies Association. My name is Mälksoo, and for the past few years I've had the pleasure to serve as the Executive Secretary of the European International Studies Association, the EISA. 2020 was a tough year for us all, but 2021 is of course going to be much better, so we all hope. We are looking forward to the events that we sadly had to defer from the previous year to this one, such as our workshops in international studies, the EV's European workshops in international studies, and of course our annual highlight, the Pan-European Conference, which is going to take place in September. But 2021 will also be the year of elections for EISA. We are looking for 5 new board members. The call for nominations is going to go out very shortly. So if you have enjoyed EISA events, would like to contribute even more of your brilliant ideas and time and energy for the association's advancement, then please do consider throwing your hat in the ring and self-nominating or nominating your colleague, or perhaps two, if they agree, of course. We are very much hoping for your active participation and, of course, for everyone's continuing commitment and support to the association, because, as you well know, without you, the members of European International Studies Association, there is no EISA. So let's praise together for a hopefully much brighter and lighter 2021. May it be a very good one for all of us. All the best.